Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very simple recipe, whole chilies pickle, which there was a viewer requested after seeing our crushed chilies pickle. So here I've got 250 gram of green chilies, which I rinsed out, and using the chilies whole, I'm going to split open the chilies by cutting it this way. You can also cut it this way. By cutting it in this manner, you can keep your chilies whole for a longer period. I'll do the same method with all these chilies. Now I'm done with the cutting. To this green chilies, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 2 bay leaves, and a few whole black pepper. Here I'm using vinegar to put these chilies to soak up. Vinegar is used till our chilies float, giving them enough space for the soaking. To this, I'm going to cover and keep overnight and catch y'all tomorrow morning. Hello, it's the next day and my chilies has been soaking overnight in the vinegar, and last night I did place this into the fridge because of the heat. So I'm just going to take my chilies out from the vinegar and put it onto the paper towel. You will see the chilies that had started to turn color. I'm just going to take additional 2 paper towel and pat my chilies dry. This is my chilies in the bowl. So the ingredients for the pickle is, I have half a cup of pickle masala. Usually we buy our pickle masala straight from the store, but we will write what ingredients go into the pickle masala. Thereafter, I have 10 whole garlic, of which I'm going to crush, a teaspoon of pure chili powder to give color, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of fine salt. Thereafter, I heated up 2 cups of oil and cooled it completely. First, I start by putting my pickle masala, pure chili powder, salt and sugar. Then I'll crush my garlic roughly. Here's my garlic that I crushed roughly. I'm adding it to my chilies. Give this a mix. To the chilies, I'm going to add in my boiled oil gently. You had to have the oil covering the entire bowl of chilies. This is one pickle that we usually use a lot of oil. And when it comes to the eating, you can drizzle your chilies oil to any of your food. It gives a great flavor. Now I'm ready to store this away in a bottle. I'm going to put my chilies pickle into a glass bottle, but you can use any airtight container to store your pickle away. I did sterilize the bottle by letting it stand in boiling water. And now I'm ready to pack my pickle into it. Here you go. My chilies are fitted into the bottle. And as you can see, the oil is covering all the chilies. So there's no air pockets left to lead for the pickle to spoil. Now I'm going to seal this. This pickle will be left on my windowsill for a day of sunshine, and thereafter I'll pop it into the fridge. It can stay for 2 to 3 months. That is if you're not going to eat it very fast. Usually we eat our pickle within a month because it's so tasty, and you had to give it at least a week to rest in the fridge before eating. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.